Can you help me buy medicine? I'm cold. I'm having fever. Please. Please.
Mama! Mama! No! Your breakfast is ready. Oh, yeah, go. It's ready.
What is it? Darling, please.
What's not again, Mama? I'm not calling nonsense.
I can't feel myself. I'm in serious pain. Please, I need medicine.
Andy, please. Just allow my mother eat this food in peace. Biko, what is it now?
Naisika. It's delicious.
Thank you, Mama. Enjoy your food, Biko.
Oh.
Do you have tuberculosis? What is this? What kind of cough is this? That shit that way.
Brother, please. Please.
Shift now! I hope you like the food, Mama. Now, good job.
Andy! My goodness, Jesus! Is it this bad?
Thank God you're here.
I got 2 medications. Oh my God! Mama? Mama? You are home and your in-law is almost dying here. So you were the savior he called on phone? Mama, it's not right now. This isn't right. So what should I have done? Let me get you water.
You know where you are?
This is Nollywood Pictures TV.